line taken away right away by Vandenborn as he wandered a bit on the start there. Aubrey Bailey back in 7th spot right now to start this lap off, but it is the number competition. I believe that would be the number 11 place that he's lead here. 17 it is, 17 of Frank Boulay. 21 of Dan Vandenborn in 2nd spot.
Je sais pas c'est qui a dans les fesses, hein, mais...
Up on our race leaders as Vandenborn goes around the outside now. A great contest up front as the riders are side by side. 44 of Corcoran would stand corrected on that. I had identified that rider as Frank Boulay. It is back number 44, Corcoran, who is running in 2nd spot. Vandenborn up front on the number 21 bike. Rider off track there, and that is Scott on the number 114 bike as he takes a bit of a shortcut to the bus stop and comes back on track. Nowakowski on the number 102 machine, being chased now by number 100, Vizinski. Mark Vizinski